Hello and welcome to the fifth video of the I'rab series, where we'll be discussing different subjects in I'rab of Arabic. The fifth topic is the na'at, which is the adjective. It's also known as the sifa. And just some mufradat out of the way. The na'at is the adjective, and the man'ut is the thing that is being adjectived. It's an object of the adjective, the noun that is being described. So, what do we need to remember about the adjective? The first thing is the adjective, unlike in English where the adjectives comes first, so I say the big glass or the big book. In Arabic, we say the book big. So the adjective comes after the verb. The noun. So the adjective comes after the word it is describing, and it mirrors it. So in English we say the book, the big book. In Arabic we say the book, the big. So if book is definite, then big will also be definite. So we won't say الكتاب كبير. We'll say الكتاب الكبير. So it mirrors it. By mirror, I mean it takes on the exact properties in four things: the case, the gender, the number, and the definiteness. And there's one major exception in the number, and that is if you have the plural of non-human feminines. So you have many clocks. So you have sa'at. Then the adjective will revert to a singular feminine singular. So it won't be sa'at kabirat. It'll be sa'at kabira. So the na'at, the adjective, mirrors, it comes after the noun, and it mirrors in four things: case, gender, number, definiteness. And the wonderful mnemonic device for this is kgnid. Yes. So case, number, case, gender, number, definiteness. And the big exception to the number is non-human feminine plurals. So let's look at some examples. On the right hand side we have the man'ut, and on the right hand side we have the na'at. The man'ut being the thing being described, and the left hand side we have the na'at, the adjective. So al-kitabu al-jadidu. Right, you have al-kitab, which is also the name of our wonderful book, which I think I'll just start calling al-bataliya from now on. Al-kitabu, the book, al-jadidu, the big. And we also notice that al-kitab is masculine, so jadid is not jadida, and it's not jadid, it's al-jadid. So it's al-kitabu al-jadidu. And then because it's kitabu, al-kitabu, it's al-jadidu. Alright? Again, the next one, سيارة 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 كبيرة. So again, is it definite? No, it's just سيارة. It's any old car. Is it plural? No, it's just one. So kabiratan, is it plural? No, it's just one. Kabiratan. What's the case? It's mansub, so it's sayyaratan, and then there's kabira 10, and then it's feminine with the sayyara, and so the kabira also gets feminine. Al-faransiyat at-tayyibat. Al-faransiyat tu at-tayyibat tu. So you have the al with a definite Franciyat. They're not just any old French ladies. They are many. They are the particular French ladies. And so when you describe them, it's not just, it's not طيبات, it's الطيبات, because you have to make it definite because the Franciyat are definite. And then it mirrors in the case, it mirrors in the gender. And then you also notice that when you pluralize it according to the plural rules of the word that of the not word. So I'll give you an example in the next one. Is it in the next one? No, actually didn't use the plural one. I'll use the next one actually. So رجلان مصريان. Alright? So is it definite? It's not الرجلان, right? So it's not المصريان. Secondly, it's marfu'. And we know this because it's رجلان and not رجلين. We'll cover declension in another video of nouns. But just take my word on this. It's not رجلين, it's رجلان. And so it's not مصريين, it's مصريان. And then it's not definite, and then it's male, because obviously it's men. And so it's مصريان and not مصريتان. And then next one, should be مصريين. المصريين المشغولين. And this is also mirroring in rules you haven't learned yet. ساعة صغيرة. Okay, this is the big one. ساعة صغيرة. Why is this big one? Because of the next one. So you see it's not definite. ساعة. The next one, صغيرة. Also not definite. But it's ساعة صغيرة. One. Indefinite. مرفوع. Now here's the big one. البنايات الكبيرة. You see that? البنايات الكبيرة. It's not الكبيرات. It's الكبيرة. Because non-human plurals, feminine plurals, get singular feminine pronouns. Singular feminine adjectives. So when you create an adjective for non-human feminine plural words, البنايات, الساعات, God, what's non-human? ساعات, بنايات. It's good enough. I'm blanking right now. You just go كبيرة, صغيرة, الكبيرة, الصغيرة, like that. It reverts to or stays the singular feminine. Why? There's a long explanation. There's actually a very long explanation. And for that, you'll have to go visit the hermit in the desert. But for now, we're just going to say it does. All right. But that's it for now. This is the slide rule, the rule slide. The adjective comes after the word, so it's not big book. It's not the big book. It's the book big, and it agrees in case, gender, number, and definiteness, and the wonderful mnemonic for that is Kegnad. Very, very memorable. Okay, that's it for now.